You want to know what to study for Satmath? Then this video is for you. Basically, Satmath content is divided into 4 parts. Number 1 Algebra, 2nd Advanced Math, 3rd is Problem Solving and Data Analysis, and 4th is Geometry and Trigonometry. Algebra is 35% of the test. So focus on linear equations, inequalities and system of equations. So you can expect 13 to 15 questions from this topic. Advanced Math is another 35% of the test. This includes polynomials, quadratics, exponential functions, and those tricky rational, radical, and absolute value equations. Again, around 13 to 15 questions we can expect from this topic. Third part of the content is problem solving and data analysis, which is actually 15% of the content, where topics are involved as ratios, percentages, probability, and interpreting graphs. You can expect 5 to 7 questions from this topic. Fourth and last part is geometry and trigonometry, which is the 15% of the content, and you should know about angles, areas, perimeters, and basic trigonometry. You can expect 5 to 7 questions from this topic. One tip from my side: master algebra and advanced math first. That's 70% of your score.